much?
It's recording. What are we doing today?
Well, we're doing, what was it again?
$5 a day.
The what?
$5 a day.
Oh, $5.
My dream husband. So what is it? What is it?
$5 a day.
In Australian money.
Yes.
At Woolworths.
Yes.
I think I'm in Charlie, the unicorn one. Whatever. What's it called? Charlie in the chocolate factory. With no chocolate. Now it's the chocolate factory.
Yes, the chocolate factory.
Except no Wonka bars.
Yes, Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka. Dude, how much is this?
Dude, I don't know, but
No, like $16.
I saw this at the movies. It's like,
What'd you say?
this, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Great Outdoors. And
How much is it?
15. 92.
But we only have $10, $5
Yeah.
between us, because it's $5 a day. And Alvin and the Chipmunks.
More lollies.
Dun, dun, dun. This is what we do at Woolworths. Every day, get the balls and bounce them. Get a 3-pointer.
What?
Get a 3-pointer.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
No.
Be the grape again. Grapes. What's grapes? Grapes. 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 Just taste them. $5 out of 5 stars.
3.
I'll give it 7. More grapes. What have you got? For $1. Bacon's on $1. Tim Tam. $3.05. Let's get them.
Yeah, let's get I'm getting this one.
Alright. You have $1.
Screw this
No,
chocolate.
you have 95 cents left. So now we've got 2 Tim Tam packets, white and brown, but white's better. Bacon, we only have $1.95 left.
Yes, I'm looking for cookie dough.
You know, it's in the freezer section. Are these edible?
I think so.
Rate it.
Simply edible.
We have now been here for like an hour now,
Yes.
and still not finding anything for $1.95. Oh my god, $1.85.
Money.
Dude, look, $1.85. These are like for 10 cents then. No. Alright, let's see how long we can wait here.
This
for.
shows how much. What? Winning tennis balls?
No,
What?
I don't know.
Yeah, what?
Cornflakes.
Oh, cornflakes.
Drop it in. So bacon.
What? You dropped your Tim Tam.
Shut up. So,
No, I can't drop mine because it's
what's the
impossible.
matter with our $5 deal?
Well, see, we can't find anything for exactly $5. So we're now calling it
Under $5 a
under
day.
$5 a day. Okay.
Yes. So we've got
Yeah.
$3.05.
Yes.
So we both have like $1.95 left, which we might not spend.
Yes. Because it's too hard.
Yeah.
Let's get a drink.
Alright. I'm getting Mountain Dew for
Oh, what?
$1.09. 2 Mountain Dews and 2 Tim Tams.
That's cool.
There are some technical difficulties with the machine.
Yeah, so they have to fix it.
This might take an hour. Put all the stuff down, put it in the basket.
Because I'm a smart little
Scan all card
Item.
I love this thing. I'll scan my Tim Tam.
What else is to do the Tim Tam?
Oh, these wings. Blah, 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 blah.
Total score was $8.28 out of $10. Do we win?
We win.
Okay,
I know.
skip cash.
Insert
Please
cash.
insert coins,
both
then
put in
insert
5.
notes.
Well, no, that's all we have. Go.
Watch this. It looks so cool. Whee! How funny is
Uh oh, it's bent, it's bent, it's bent.
It's been. I've got it. You do it. It's bent even more. And then it goes up, and then we
Please
get
take
some
your
change. Oh no!
Sorry.
Look at all this change. We're like
Billionaires.
Please
do you want to
take
go
your receipt.
buy a house?
Thank you for shopping with the Fresh Food people.
What are you eating?
I'm eating my drink. But I'm scared it's gonna overflow.
Refreshing. Alright, that's enough. I'm starting to eat my Tim Tams.
Yeah, let's eat the Tim Tams. I'm gonna move over here.
Just knock the camera down.
I'm gonna move over here.
Look at my hands all fiddly. How nice they are. I'll be back in a second meeting. Be eating now. And the Tim Tams. We're gonna get
3-second rule, and he gets it just in time.
Tell me if that's edible in the comments. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Thank you for watching.
What we are eating?
No, it's not what we're eating.
Yes, it is.
No, oh, okay, what we're eating for under $5.
Hot.
Part 2.